Okay, yeah, you remember this that we have created in the previous video. So right now I will show you this same example but with an image instead of random prints. So let's create a new file and we can add k-means in img. Yeah, so I can copy those because I don't want to write a lot, and I paste it here. So yeah, what I have to do right now is instead of creating prints, I will use an image instead. So here as input, I'm not going to use those points. I will use this image. We use image, and yeah, we remember that in imread, and we add the file. Here I have image. Yeah, I can add nature that I have here. This one. Yeah. So I grab the image, we have it, but you remember I think that it will be a very big image, so let's resize it. Resize and image and like 600 for, yeah. So I have it. So you can see here I have red bars. That means I don't have X and Y anymore. So now I have to grab the points on the image from this function, but not with vstart, but we will use the shape of the image. So we take this and we reshape it to the point that we need, -1 and 3. Yeah, so we have it like that, and we will use those points to do something with the image. So as you remember, we have to convert this point to float 32, and yeah, this worked for us. We have z and we have the function from numpy, and now we have to create the criteria, and everything is the same. Yeah, and here, instead of writing the number of k, I can show you something like k will be like 2, and here I'm not use 2, I just put k from here. So and yeah, we have the criteria, we have the number, we have the centroids. We will grab them. Yeah, so here we don't need those anymore. So what we have to do, we have to convert the points back to this number. We will use the center, and we will use this numpy UI and T8 and center, and the result will be center, and let's grab the label from this and we flatten. Yeah, and the result 2 will be the result 1 reshape as we did in the first lines, and we reshape it again, but this time we use the image shape just like that. Yeah, and what we have to do now is just show the window to the user or to ourselves. We use cv and show I said, and we the give the title, and we use this one, and CV wait key and 0 whenever a key pressed, we destroy our window. So let's see. So I have to do something like that. Here I have a problem in the line 8. We cannot reshape the image. Why? Yeah, you can see here I use, that's what I said, I didn't remove it, I just rewrite it. But for this number we need something like this. Yeah, so you can see it. This is the image. If you remember the original looks like that, but the algorithm create another image by using 2K. So the image, the color and the image that are that have great intensity, they have like strength on the other colors. So as you can see here, I have just two colors in the image. So let's try to add something like K would be like 4, and you'll see what's happened. Yeah, you can see I have more things here. I have like 4 colors. Yeah, here, and this one. And that's the problem of those K algorithm. The way you choose K, you can choose them by trial and error. But in the next video, or I don't know which number of video will be, but I will tell you how we can choose a value of K from K and N probably. So let's try to use a huge number, yeah, or bigger number. So you can see almost nothing changed. So let's add something like that. Yeah, you can see. So the one of the most important thing here is the value of K. Let me add one, and we'll see the color that have that great power on the other. You can see it, yeah. So yeah, here you are. You can understand right now how K-means works, how K-means clustering works. So let's try to start with our application right now. Let's try to count cranes on the image. So see you on the next video.